Hello everybody, this is Omar from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we are going to be covering how to synchronize Obsidian with Google Drive. Now we have the whole installation process in here, but before we get into that, make sure to head over to the link in the description to support this channel because it is going to be providing us big help. So let's just dive into the installation process. So it says that to install Obsidian Google Drive auto synchronize plugin, you're going to be following these simple steps. So the first thing you need to download is Obsidian G Drive sync.zip from the latest release. Let me head over to that as well. Here, as you can see, the Obsidian G Drive sync. Make sure to download the latest one from here. And once you downloaded that, make sure that navigate to Vault's location and open the .obsidian folder and turn on shadow hidden files on folders in your file manager. If this folder is not visible, go to plugins. You might have to create this folder if you never installed any plugin before. So this is an important part. Sometimes you have never used, some users might never used any plugin before. You can simply create this folder yourself, plugins. After that, the path to plugin should look like this. So this should be the path, and make sure to note it down or write it somewhere. Yeah, now open required vault in Obsidian and enable community plugins under settings. If you are opening the vault for the first time, you might be asked to confirm to trust author and enable plugin. Click to enable it. Then enable Google Drive synchronization plugin under the install plugins. Then wait for a few seconds. Make sure to have good internet connection. That is really important that your ISP or the internet service provider is working perfectly fine. Make sure to run a speed test before that. Then you're going to be clicking on Google Drive synchronization settings under the community plugins section that becomes visible. So that is the process on how to synchronize it, the installation process. We have covered this, and make sure to, if you have any question, let me know in the comments. I will personally help you guys out. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Make sure to head over to the link to support this channel, as it is going to be motivating us to create much more content like this one. Also head over to Tutorials Hub for more videos like these. Thank you so much for watching.